Hello friends, welcome to my channel Home Chef Real. Today I am going to show you how to make cheesy paneer mushroom recipe in just 10 minutes. First of all, you have to break all the paneer and clean the mushroom properly. In a bowl, prepare the masala paste for coating on the paneer and mushroom. Add ginger paste. Now I am adding garlic paste and now add onion paste and mix them properly. I have added Kashmiri lal mirch 1 teaspoon and salt according to taste and 3 teaspoon ground flour and mix them properly. Apply the paste on paneer both the sides and as well on the mushroom. Add lemon juice on mushroom as well as on the paneer. Keep aside for marination. Take a baking tray and add butter and now heat the butter in the oven for few seconds. Now take out the baking tray, spread all the veggies and add the paste ingredients like onion and ginger garlic paste and mix them properly and again bake for 2 to 3 minutes. On the other side, place non-stick tawa, add ghee on it and add coated paneer and mushrooms. Fry them till they turn golden brown. Now again take out the baking tray from the oven. Now add Kashmiri red chili, chaat masala and curd and mix them properly. Now mix all the fried mushroom and paneer in the same tray and mix them properly. Now add fresh tomato ketchup. I have added nearly about half a cup and place the tray again in the oven for 3 minutes. Place 2 sliced cheese on the top until the cheese melts. Serve hot with green chutney and tomato sauce. If you do like my this video, please share and comment. Thank you so much